Discord is giving out a lot of orbs, and most of them are on phone. Let's do it quick. Firstly, enable your VPN and change the location to the United States. Use any VPN you want as long as it has the US location in it. The first quest is from the end of the Oak Street. It will expire on March 30th. You can do it both on phone and PC. The second is from They Will Kill You, movie or show or whatever. It will expire on March 30th too. The third one is exclusively for phone or tablet. You can't do them on PC whatsoever. If you don't own a phone, ask your parents. It will expire on April 1st. The fourth is from Cookie Run. This is also for phone. It will expire on April 2nd. The fifth is from Baseball Hits 26. This is also for phone users. It will expire on April 5th. Make sure to claim it on time. And that is it. In total, they're giving between 1,000 to 1,400 orbs. This is enough for you to purchase 3 days Nitro. Make sure to subscribe now to get free Discord news on time.